Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Brenda. If you are new here, welcome. Please don't forget to click the subscribe and the bell button to get updated on my new videos. So for today's video, I am going to show you how I made this two-piece crop top and skirt. This is actually out of an old man's pants, which I already showed you in the first clip. And if you want to know how I made this, please keep on watching. First step, pinold ko yung pants. I made sure na pantay siya from edge to edge kasi I'm going to cut it and dapat pantay siya. Now, I am cutting the bottom part of the pants. At first, gusto ko medyo below the knee siya. But at the end, I cut it a little shorter. Kasi mas cute siya tignan pagka medyo above the knee siya. So, para magawa ko siyang skirt, kailangan kong guntingin yung inner part ng pants. Pati syempre yung crotch included na yun, kailangan siyang magupit. Kailangan siyang ma-separate para mapagdugtong natin mamaya. So as you can see, may sobrang tela sa loob ng crotch. Hindi ko alam kung anong gamit niyan. At hindi ko rin siya nagamit kaya tinanggal ko na lang. At first, hindi ko talaga alam paano ko pagdudugtungin tong front part ng skirt. But at the end, I decided to leave it open and para magmukha siyang pleats. So, for the back part of the skirt, pinagdugtong ko yung dalawang parts ng legs. So, dito naman, linalagyan ko na ng pin yung part na tatahiin ko mamaya. Gumamit ako ng pin para masukat ko siya at para makita ko kung tama ba yung adjustments na ginagawa ko. Since malaki sa akin yung pants, kailangan ko ring i-adjust yung waistband. And as you can see, naglalagay na naman ako ng pin. Mga 1 inch yung pinold ko dun sa may waistband area. So this is how it looks like nung binaliktad ko siya. And all of the pins serves as my guide sa pagtatahi. After ko tahiin yung mga pinaglalagyan ko ng pins, sinukat ko yung skirt and masyado siyang mahaba, so I decided to cut it. As you can see, mga more than 2 inches yung tinanggal ko. So here, as you can see, gumagawa ako ng pattern for the top I'll be making later. So, after ko magawa yung pattern, linatag ko siya doon sa extrang part ng pants kanina. Ngayon, ginugupit ko na yung tela. As you can see, hindi ko sure kung nakikita niyo talaga. Pero hindi ko siya ginupit doon mismo sa outline na drawing ko. Naglagay ako ng konting allowance para mamaya pag tinihi ko, hindi magkamali o magkulang yung size. Now, this serves as the front part of the crop top. Here I am now making the back part of the crop top naman. It's just the same. I used the same pattern. The only difference is that mas mahaba yung sa may bandang part, bandang shoulder part. Actually, before this part, hinem ko muna lahat ng raw edges dun sa may neck and armpit area para matahi ko yung sides and shoulder parts of the crop top. Binaligtad ko siya, saka ko siya tinahi. Both wrong sides are facing together. I made a mistake on the neck area of the crop top. It's too low. Lalabas yung mga di dapat lalabas. So, ang ginawa ko, I had a lot of excess fabric and linagay ko na lang siya doon sa may part. Ngayon, saka ko siya tinahi. And of course, kailangan mo i-cut yung excess fabric ulit para malinis siyang tignan sa loob. Now, this is the finished product. Medyo nagkamali-mali tayo dun sa may crop top. But, all in all, maganda siya. Pwede siyang pang Instagram OOTD. And I'm probably going to wear this on summer. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!